In today's video, we'll talk about the melt value of each denomination of silver coins and how the value is determined. And if you stick around long enough, I'll share some quick and easy formulas to help you figure out the melt value of silver coins based on the current spot price of silver. There was a time not so long ago when silver coins were common in circulation. Silver nickels were minted for part of 1942 to 1945. Silver dimes and quarters were minted up to 1964, and silver half dollars were minted as recently as 1970. Silver coins in these denominations are still minted for some proof sets, but not for regular business strike circulated coins. The most common silver coins you're likely to come across while coin roll hunting or in some spare change are the war nickel, the silver Jefferson nickel, the silver Roosevelt dime, the silver Washington quarter, and the silver Kennedy half dollar. There are many factors that go into determining the value of a coin, such as condition, population, grade, and eye appeal. This video is about the value of silver in a coin as opposed to its numismatic value based on the factors just mentioned. Because the value of silver changes constantly, the values in this video are from the time of the video and will be different every time you watch this video. Even though the price will be different, it probably won't be too far off. I'll teach you how to figure out the current price no matter when you're checking values. Silver was used in Kennedy half dollars from 1964 to 1970. 1964 half dollars were made of 90% silver, and half dollars from 1965 to 1970 are comprised of 40% silver. At the current silver price, a 90% silver half dollar is worth $9.66, and the 40% silver half dollar is worth $3.95. The silver content for a 1964 Kennedy half dollar is the same as the Franklin half dollar, a Walking Liberty half dollar, and a Barber half dollar. 40% silver half dollars contain 0.1479 ounces of silver, and 90% silver half dollars contain 0.36169 ounces of silver. Washington quarters minted in 1964 and earlier contain 90% silver also, just like the Kennedy half dollars. The difference is the quarters are smaller, so the silver content is comparatively smaller. A silver quarter has about $4.83 worth of silver content. The amount of silver in a Washington quarter is the same as a Standing Liberty quarter and a Barber quarter. These quarters contain 0.1808 ounces of silver. Roosevelt dimes, just like quarters minted in 1964 and earlier, are 90% silver. A Roosevelt dime has a melt value of $1.93 based on recent silver prices. The amount of silver in a Roosevelt dime is the same as a Mercury dime and a Barber dime. These dimes contain 0.0723 ounces of silver. War nickels were minted from 1942 to 1945. Not all 1942 nickels are silver though. You want to take a look at the reverse of your 1942 nickel. A silver nickel will have a large mint mark above Monticello. If the mint mark isn't located above Monticello, you have a Type 1 nickel made of 75% copper and 25% nickel. No silver. If the mint mark is there, you have a silver war nickel with a melt value of about $1.50. A war nickel contains 0.0563 ounces of silver. In addition to the silver coins you're more likely to come across in pocket change, here's the melt value for some other U.S. coins you may see or have in your coin collection. A Morgan dollar is 90% silver and contains 0.7734 ounces of silver, just like a peace dollar. The melt value for these two coins is about $20.66. An American Silver Eagle is 99.93% silver. It contains a full ounce of silver, and its melt value at the time of this video is about $26.71. Here's a chart that shows the melt value of the coins we discussed at different silver prices, a little higher and a little bit lower than the current price today. Do you own any silver coins? If you do, which one is your favorite? Leave a comment below this video and let me know. To find the current price of your silver coins, you can use the simple formula on the screen. First, find the silver coin you're looking for. Take the quarter for example. The silver quarter contains 0.1808 ounces of silver. Now find the current value of silver. There are many sites that offer this information. If you don't know how to get it, do a search for current silver prices and select one of those sites. Now multiply the silver weight by the current price and you have the melt value of your silver coin. Knowing if your coin is silver is very important for coin collecting. If you want to learn some methods to find out if you have a silver coin, take a look at the video to the right. Thanks for watching.